What am I trying? Yes, them can't fool with Mr. Pliers, Chaka, and Demus, God bless speaking it. What am I doing? What am I trying? Yes, them can't stop with. Come on.
Don't watch those pretty dresses that they wear, those fancy makeups all over their face, those rubies and diamonds that cover their necks, those fancy handbags to match their dress. They will rob and cheat you. They will make you wanna cry. They will rob you. They will rob you.
You think them can't fool me? Fall like wolf in a sheep, you watch it out. They are no pretty girl alone, character dirty. You have some ugly girl with flirty, flirty. And no pretty girl alone, character dirty. You have some ugly girl with flirty, flirty. So girl, dress back. Guess who I run this here? Girl, we ambitious, put your hand in the air. Girl, move up before you run out of luck. If you run out of luck, girl, you're going get some girl picking it. Change your style of living. See they run around business, it now say no. They are no pretty girl alone, character dirty. You have some ugly girl with flirty, flirty. And no pretty girl alone, character dirty. You have some ugly girl with flirty, flirty. Come on.
Don't let them tell you those Mr. Lies. It's just one of their old alibis. They will take you out for a ride, then give you that same old fancy slide. They will rob and cheat you. They will make you wanna cry. They will rob you. They will rob you.
Don't the man say, watch out. They are no pretty girl alone, character dirty. You have some ugly girl with flirty, flirty. And no pretty girl alone, character dirty. You have some ugly girl with flirty, flirty. Flirty, flirty with Tom, Dick and Harry. Now she come back and go on like she ready, but you not ready. If you flirty, flirty, you not ready. You run to Tom, Dick and Harry. So girl, just back. Guess who I run this year? Girl, we ambitious, put your hand in the air. So move up before you run out of luck. If you run out of luck, girl, you're going get. Girl, picking it, change your style of living. You see they run around business, it not say nothing.
Don't watch those pretty dresses that they wear, those fancy makeups all over their face, those rubies and diamonds that cover their necks, those fancy handbags